Hi guys, CGCrafted here. This video series is about how to create Archviz scenes efficiently, and this episode is about how to cut holes in walls for your windows and doors. Since we did a procedural wall, it's very easy to do it, but we have two solutions for that and I will show you both. The first one is the one I will prefer because it keeps quads and quads are better for rendering and editing, so I usually use this. And the second one will be the boolean method, which I will show in the end of the video. So how to do it. So we'll go into edit mode with tab and add an additional loop cut on both sides of the window. When it's done, we'll do the same to the door. And we'll add another one here. So what we do is basically create a frame around the windows and the doors. And I will select the faces here and I will delete them. Bam! We have holes in the walls. We can adjust the windows by selecting them and moving them a bit inside or outside depending where you want this other part to be. For this scene I will prefer them to be inside because that's what this building will look like in real life. Okay, and as you can see, since there are the holes, we can just easily move the doors and fix some things, and if we can't fix some things, then we can just go into edit mode and select this loop and move it around. And we can do the same up here. We can also alt select if Blender lets us and move the wall loop so it will be so it won't be destroyed. And we can adjust this part. Okay, so this is the basic concept. We can do the same to the interior doors. In fact, the loop here in the balcony door will be perfect for the doors inside because they will have the same height. Okay, so this was the first method. Also, we can add this little thing to the windows that they always have here, and that's it basically, and you get the point. The boolean method is a more parametric solution, but it's also, well, it's tricky because, for example, when I tried to use it and I added a lot of windows, they started to overlap, and I think something was messed up because Blender can't recognize anything else than quads or triangles, and if so, for example, we can't just have a hole in this wall in Blender. You can in other programs like SketchUp. It doesn't have to be connected, but for Blender, the wall and the hole in the wall have to be connected together with an edge and the edges. And for me, the edges probably overlapped and they didn't work. So that's why I don't recommend this solution, because it can get a little messy. So how to do it? It's very simple. Go to this Object tab, go to the viewport display, select this one. This will turn this into a wire view, and this is so we will see later the hole itself, and this cube won't disturb our vision. And now we just add the boolean modifier to the wall, not this cube, and select the cube, and now it will cut a hole into the wall. And this is very much procedural, so you can just move this around, remove it, and this won't destroy the wall, so that's the good side. Maybe with a few windows we can actually manage. Okay, and for the door, I will just shift D and do the same at the boolean modifier to the wall and select this little cube. And that was it. We have the holes, they are procedural, But later, when we continue, I will use the loop cut method, because I prefer that, as I said previously. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it, and in the next episode we'll do something interesting. Actually, I will start placing some objects.
If you like this video, that's good. If you turn on notifications by clicking on the bell, that's good. If you donate me on Blender Market, CG Trader or anywhere else I'm currently available, that's also good. If you say bye, that's super good, because bye.